Welcome to Channels, your command center for every conversation your business has with guests. Start by connecting new channels. Choose from Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, your own website chat, or provision a phone number for voice AI. Each one opens another doorway for guests to reach you, book, and get instant answers. Once connected, every channel appears in a single table. You'll see the channel name, its unique ID, the business ID it's tied to, and when it was created. From there, you're in full control. Assign which AI assistant handles each channel using the drop-down and route conversations to the right location, whether that's a specific restaurant, hotel, or storefront. Need to make changes to a live channel? Just look to the right-hand side. For channels like Messenger and Instagram, the three-dot menu gives you a quick disconnect option, instantly removing that channel when it's no longer needed. For WhatsApp numbers, the gear icon opens deeper controls, manage account, manage number, and view sending limit, so you can keep tabs on usage and settings. And for voice channels, the eye icon lets you open a live preview to hear exactly what your callers experience. That's Channels. Connect, assign, monitor, and disconnect everything you need to manage every guest conversation across every platform, all powered by HeyGuest.